In the sanctuary of nature, we invite you to embark on a 12-minute self-love journey. A journey that guides you towards the nurturing realms of self-discovery, empowerment, and profound connection with the serenity of nature. As we begin, imagine yourself stepping onto the threshold of the tranquil forest. A gentle breeze welcomes you, carrying the sweet fragrance of pine and the earthy scent of moss. The sunlight filters through the lush canopy, creating a dance of dappled shadows on the soft, moss-covered ground beneath your feet. Vibrant ferns sway gracefully, their fronds brushing against your skin like nature's tender caress. The melody of distant birdsong serenades your senses, as if whispering words of self-love and empowerment. Towering trees stand as guardians, their sturdy trunks embracing you with a sense of security. As you wander deeper into this sanctuary of tranquility, you encounter a babbling brook. Its crystal clear waters, reflecting the love and strength within you. In this serene haven, every rustle of leaves and every chirp of a hidden creature become a reminder of your inner power, fostering a profound connection between your essence and the soothing symphony of nature. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Inhale the essence of this moment and exhale the burdens that may weigh upon your heart. As you proceed with your journey, imagine yourself standing at the threshold of a magnificent, lush haven, where the air is filled with the intoxicating fragrance of blossoms and the gentle murmur of a crystal-clear stream. The sun, like a benevolent guardian, bathes everything in a golden glow, inviting you to enter a space where time slows down and the symphony of nature takes center stage. As you step into this enchanting woodland, notice the soft crunch of leaves beneath your feet, the rustle of branches overhead, and the playful melody of birdsong dancing through the air. In the heart of this natural haven, you find yourself surrounded by towering trees, their branches intertwining like ancient storytellers, sharing tales of resilience and growth. Let your gaze wander through the dappled sunlight as you traverse this serene landscape. As you walk, be mindful of the thoughts and feelings that surface. This is a sacred space for introspection, a haven where the symphony of nature harmonizes with the rhythms of your own heartbeat. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty of your journey, acknowledging the milestones and challenges that have shaped the incredible tapestry of your life. In the heart of this forest, you encounter a quiet clearing, a haven of stillness and reflection. Sit down, feel the earth beneath you, and let the symphony of nature guide you into a moment of self-exploration. Reflect upon the layers of your being, your strengths, vulnerabilities, and the unique qualities that make you who you are. Self-love, dear friend, begins with the acceptance of your whole self. The light and the shadows, the triumphs and the lessons. As the symphony of nature continues to play, consider the myriad ways in which you have grown, the challenges you have overcome, and the beauty inherent in your uniqueness. Let the melody of self-love resonate within you, echoing through the chambers of your heart. You are a masterpiece, a work in progress, and every note of your existence contributes to the grand symphony of life. In the embrace of nature's tranquility, you are reminded that self-love is not a destination, but a continual journey, one that unfolds with each step you take. As the symphony of your life plays on, recognize that every chord, every pause, and every crescendo contributes to the breathtaking composition that is you. As we draw near the end of this journey, carry the melody of self-love with you. Let it be a guiding force, a compass that leads you towards a life filled with authenticity, compassion, and empowerment. Remember, dear friend, that by embracing the symphony of self-love, you not only empower your own existence, but also contribute harmoniously to the collective melody of humanity. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, may you find strength in self-love and empowerment. Please share this video with those who you believe would benefit from this. Be well and take care.